There, everybody. This is Mrs. Thomas. I'm going to be out of the office today, October 29th. So I thought that I would do a recording of these slides, the live session slides that we normally would have gone over. You can use these to start to review for your for your week 8 quiz that will lock tonight before midnight. So some of this could be very helpful to you for your preparation for the quiz. Make sure that you have your study guide open when you're working on your quiz and have it ready. We went through questions 1 through 8 this week, so it should be all done and set to go. There is an activity in the beginning of the slides here for you if you would like to do the Candy quiz. If you're interested in the answers, don't peek at the notes over there on the side, but you can take a look at it and enjoy the, there we go, I'll adjust it so now you can't see all the answers. So you guys will be able to play the Candy quiz if you like. For Fridays, we usually go over any missed questions from the week before. We take a chance to cover any information from the week that you might have questions on, and then give you time to work on the quiz. So these are the standards from the week that we've already covered, and this is our usual agenda for what we do on Fridays, our review, question time, and work time. So included in here are the questions from the week 7 quiz, in which number 2 was a frequently missed one. It said, which of the following is not a precedent or presidential first set by President George Washington? If you did not get this one right, what you want to do is go to study guide question number 2 slide from last week's content and rewatch the video. Now, I know that you can't go back in, or at least most people cannot go back in to see the or adjust the quiz at this time because it is locked, but you may be able to do so by, or help yourself out by getting this one correct in case you see it on the test coming up for the quarter 1 test. So I suggest very much so getting the chance to rewatch that if you missed that on the quiz. Okay. The other question was question number 8 from the week 7 quiz. It was why were the Alien and Sedition Acts controversial and opposed by men like Jefferson and Madison? So a lot of people chose answer option D here because it had to do with immigration, and a lot of people knew that the Alien and Sedition Acts, specifically the Alien Acts, had to do with immigration, but there is another option that is a better one here. The Alien Acts did not stop all immigration. They were anti-immigration laws, to be sure, but they didn't stop all immigration. So take another look at that particular question, and to help you with that, the Alien and Sedition Act slide that we went over in class with the video is available here for you to review should you need to. Okay. Fair or not fair? Okay, we had asked about the Alien and Sedition Acts, if they were fair or not fair, and here you saw a description of what each of the acts did. So be sure to use that in your review as well. Okay, there's a fill-in-the-blank vocabulary review that you can attempt on your own. And we usually have questions time, so during this part of the recording, if you do have any questions, make sure you jot them down now and send me an email. I know that I'm out of the office on the 29th, but if you have a question and you send it to me, I will try to get back to you on Monday as soon as I return. And any additional time we would have given you guys to work on your quiz, so feel free to work on your quiz with the time that you have during the live session. Since we don't have one, you'll have even more time to work on your own. There is an all done slide, an activity slide that you can enjoy accessing in the live session slides. You could click on a bunch of different games and videos and things like that for review and for fun. There's an Election of 1800 video, an Era of Good Feelings video for review, and Halloween games. So you can feel free to enjoy those. What's next? Just a couple of reminders for you folks as you go through and get ready for the following week. Make sure that you complete the quiz for week 8 before it locks at midnight. The assignments that are going to be locking on Halloween Sunday will be the political parties checkpoint. Week 8 assignments that will continue to be open until the end of the quarter are up there on the board. The week 8 exploring checkpoint, week 8 nationalism checkpoint, and the quarter 1 test constructed response. Now, also included in your slides, your live session slides, would be the review slides that we give you each week. The week 8 quiz slides are there. It will give you a reminder of how to check your progress and what you got right or wrong on the test, and it will allow you to see how to review that so that you can prepare for your second attempt if you need to. And then I also put in here the reminders of directions for the exploring checkpoint that we did on Monday, along with the questions from that, and the Louisiana Purchase and all other study guide slides that we did throughout the week are included in there as well. So you'll see those as you click through, information on each study guide as you go, all the way through Thursday's content. Okay? And that is it, folks. If you have any questions, please make sure to let me know. Have a wonderful Friday. Have a good Halloween if you celebrate. If not, just have a great fall weekend. And I will see you on Monday.